According to the Minnesota DNR, annual state snowfall totals can vary anywhere from 36 inches to 72 inches. This puts into perspective just how essential it is to remove snow and ice from area roadways in order to ensure safe commutes.
We're out in the middle of the night and we get called in between 1 and 3 o'clock in the morning. And it's just important that, we're out there trying to keep the routes safe and drivable throughout the night so that in the morning when rush hour rolls around, everything is, up to the traffic can flow nicely.
Bloomington Public Works employees have the plows hung from the trucks, and operators are spending time at the city's Western Maintenance Facility brushing up on their snow removal skills.
You take, good 7 months, 8 months off from winter, and it's just nice to refamiliarize yourself with the vehicle and the plows and the sanders. We hang the sanders on the vehicles and the front plows, of course, and it's just, it just helps everyone and kind of retrains your mind on what you need to focus on and think about.
Plow operators call this the Snowplow Rodeo, a timed course complete with challenges and obstacles that are scored using a point system. For example, turning a dinger without knocking it over is 5 points.
The dingers represent kind of the curb, where you want to be, because the curbs are, obviously covered in snow, you can't see them. So it's a judgment call. You make a judgment on how far your wing is from the curb, and you want to be as close as you can, obviously. And this kind of gives you an idea of if you hit a dinger, you're the right distance away. If you go too deep, you'll knock the whole thing over. And if you miss it, then you weren't close enough to the curb.
In a snow emergency, city snowplow operators will drive 2,100 total miles, making training and preparation that much more important. Vansicle says once the snow comes, each plow operator would likely remind residents of something different to help assist in a smooth cleanup. He asks that people
please do not blow the snow directly back out into the street after we've gone by. Try to blow the snow either down to the right of your driveway or the left of your driveway, but don't just throw it back out in the snow. First of all, it's inconsiderate to your neighbors. They have to drive over a mound of snow in the street, and we normally have to come back and clean that up the next day.
Bloomington's plows are ready, and so are the operators. Bring it on, winter. But remember,
be patient. That's one of the most important things and stay back and stay safe.